Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making twice baked mashed potatoes. These potatoes are so cheesy, buttery, and easy to make. So let's get started. So I have about 3 pounds of potatoes here that I'm just gonna rub in a little bit of oil, and you can use whatever potatoes you like for this recipe. I happen to always have russet potatoes on hand, so that's what I'm using. So after I've oiled all of my potatoes, I'm gonna place them on a lined sheet pan, and then these are going to go in the oven for about 1 hour to bake or until fork tender. While my potatoes bake in the oven, I'll go ahead and cook my bacon. So I have about 4 slices of thick cut bacon that I've diced here. And then once the bacon is cooked, I'm going to place it on a paper towel lined plate to drain until I'm ready to use it. Once the potatoes are done, I remove the skins and then I place them in a large bowl and I mash them. Then I'll go ahead and add in some softened butter, a little bit of half and half and sour cream, and then I'll continue to mash my potatoes until they're nice and smooth. Now I'm going to season the potatoes with a little bit of salt and pepper to my liking, and then I'm going to add in the chives along with about 3/4 of my shredded cheddar cheese and my cooked bacon. Now I'm just going to mix the ingredients well to combine it, and then I'm going to place the potatoes into a greased baking dish and top it with the rest of the cheese. Pop the potatoes back into the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, just long enough for the potatoes to be heated throughout and for the cheese to melt. Once the potatoes are out of the oven, I top it with the remaining bacon and chives. This recipe is one of my favorites because it's a nice twist to your everyday mashed potatoes, making it perfect for every occasion, including the holidays. Well everyone, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later.